Okay guys, we got a 2000, it's a Lincoln LS 3.0. I was doing the diagnostic and as you guys can see, this coil is bad. It's got oil, but guess what? This is one of those things, you know, makes pull your hair sometimes. Why this car is misfire? I checked the EGR. The EGR passages, it was full carbon, so I cleaned it out and I cleared the codes. And PO304 is still coming back. So like I say, you know, I just replaced the spark plug like a month ago. In Washington, it rains a lot, so Washington State. And this coil is shorting up. So look what I found. Inside the spark plug is full of water. So guess what? Water with on the coils is not good. It's not real. It's not good at all. So the customer is complaining this car is misfired. Nice. I just lost my flashlight. Ah. There it is. So I'm gonna suck this water out. I'm gonna suck it out, but you know, it's one of those things. A lot of times you gotta check, you know, especially here in Washington State because it rains a lot. So my advice is when you're doing misfire, diagnostic misfire, check to see if you guys have any water problems like it does, like this car does. I don't know, I want to keep the water out of this car because the problem is it's getting water from here. As you guys can see, it's all rusty and it's wet right there. So I'm thinking the water comes here and it's coming into this coil. But people don't understand, like right there, look. Right there is leaking water. And you guys can see in the hose in the back, right there on the light. I can see water right there. Alright guys, I hope you guys have a good luck. Bye.